Pizza Battle for Gmail's Fantasy 2024, where fun content is the place to be. Hey guys, this is Pizza Battle for Gmail's Fantasy 2024 here. Today I'll be showing you McDonald's Happy Meal Toys Adopt Me Part 2. So I'm doing a Part 2 of the Adopt Me McDonald's Happy Meal Toys. The one I got last time was a penguin, but this time I got a dragon, and this is toy number 5. So this is what the dragon looks like. So the dragon has white horns, red wings, red feet, a red body with white on it, black eyes, pink cheeks, a black nose, and a mouth. And it has green trees and green grass on the package. So here's the front, here's the spine, and this is the same size as part 1 of my McDonald's Happy Meal Toys of Adopt Me. So these are the same ones. And on the back, it says the same thing. This is a fiber-based box made from certified material. This is a fiber-based box made from certified sources that you can recycle. So McDonald's is doing paper toys again. Anyways, this is by Uplift Games and Adopt Me. So Roblox partnered McDonald's to make these toys. Anyways, let's open this up. God, please. Oh, there we go. There we go. And so we got some stickers and we got the card. So here's the dragon here. So the dragon has a blue diamond. 7, that means eating. The fitness is 9. The time is 8. I think a stopwatch, I don't know. And the bedtime is 1. So here's the Adopt Me logo on the card, and here are the stickers. So let's see what our Adopt Me dragon looks like. And here are the instructions on here are the instructions on how to do it. Sorry, I keep messing up. Anyways, this is way different. So first, you open this half up, and part 2, you take out the eyes and change the eyes. Then you put the eyes back on. In step 5, you close it, and voila! So here's our dragon, pretty much different from the the box. So the dragon has the same white horns. The eyes are different because they're a little bit chibi kawaii eyes. Red. The dragon has red wings with white on it, red feet, and a red body without the white belly. So we're going to open this half up. This is what the inside of it looks like, and this is where you put the eyes. So for example, I want to do these shocked eyes. So the eyes are kind of messed me up. And you close this. And there you go. Isn't that amazing? Anyways, here are the stickers that you can put on. And the stickers include our yellow chain necklace, a black spine necklace, a blue bow. I have no idea why they would put blue bows on a boy dragon Adopt Me Happy Meal toy, even though this is a boy dragon. Blue shoes, a black mustache, a yellow bandana, a pirate eye patch, this thing which I don't know what that is, maybe a British outfit, a white mustache, and a camera, but okay everyone, I know you're gonna make me say this, but the Fantasy 2024 movie will be coming soon, Friday, April 12th. I have no idea why there are sunglasses on the stickers, but they remind me of the Fantasy 2024 movie when one of the Obsession Squad members gets turned into superheroes. Okay, people, I don't want to reveal any spoilers for the Fantasy 2024 movie, but the movie will be coming out just 3 or 2 months. Just don't worry. I'll work on the teaser trailers too. Sorry about that. Anyways, we're going to follow all the instructions to the dragon. Anyways, let's do this. Alright, first things first, we're gonna start on the head. And we're going to put a blue bow on the dragon. I know this isn't a girl, but that's a boy. You know what? Maybe I'll put this on the neck, because I want to make this dragon look like a tuxedo thingy. And we're gonna get this accessory. I know this reminds me of the Pian's Transfancy 2024 movie. I know you're kind of crazy right now, but I don't know where to put these. So, but if you put the stickers on the face, then you can't close it. Maybe I'll put the sticker right there, and when I open it, I'll get the sticker off. See? Easy as pie. Oh, sorry about that. And next, I'm gonna put this little British thingy on the dragon. And I'm gonna put the white mustache on the dragon. So I'm just following the instructions. Oh, the white beard's kind of crooked. I think this is how I like it. Now we're gonna put on the spike necklace on the dragon. And next, we're going to put the camera on the dragon, just like what I've done with the penguin last time. And I'm just gonna put the camera right here on the dragon. Now we're gonna put on the shoes. We're gonna put one shoe here. I think this is how I like the sticker to be. I'm gonna put this shoe. Whoa! That was my fault. Anybody's gonna put the shoe there, and I'm gonna put the other shoe right here. So I followed all the instructions, just like it said. And yeah, this is how my dragon looks like. And now the two Adopt Me McDonald's Happy Meal toy figures I have. Oh, sorry about the white beard, it keeps falling off. Maybe the stickers aren't good quality. There we go. So now I have 1 and 2 Adopt Me McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, Snoopy and Flower fans. this is Peanuts in Battle for Gmode's Fanatic 2024. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun content. And you better do all those 3 steps or else I'll kick you in the nose, send you into outer space, and listen to Dancing Under the Golden Rainbow for 24 hours, color you in rainbow, etc. And you need to do all these 3 steps to get me to 2,000 subscribers and 3,000 subscribers in the future. So yeah, do what I say. And thanks to all of the wonderful fans that have already subscribed to the Peanuts in Battle for Gmode's Fanatic 2024 YouTube channel. And if you guys haven't, we really need your support. YouTube recognizes our success by subscribers. Please, we want to keep creating for you every single day. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun videos. And also, before I go, did you spot Ratster somewhere in this video? And if you did, go back and have a look and comment this video and put the time code where you found it. That way I can look for it and I'll send you a special prize. So Ratster, do you want to do piggyback rides with me?
You bet my tail!
Alright everyone, I'm going to go on a piggyback ride with Ratster. Anyways, see you in the next video. Goodbye guys. Are you ready for the piggyback ride? Ratster?
Ready!
Whee!